What?
Seriously, that hurt.
What? Tank!
Like this. Yeah. Ow. I can't play anymore.
You okay, bro?
You know how I landed?
How? Ah! Whoa!
I landed like this.
Ew. Oh, you big boy.
Ow, camera, look how I landed. Look, camera. I landed like this. It really hurt. It went through my butt.
Oh. Whoop, there he is. He's a big boy. Look at that. Look at those eyes.
Poof, there he is. I'll go get the rubber band.
Okay, good. Look at those big eyes. They're so cute. This is my big dog, Tank. Wanna see how you little kids, like 10-year-olds, can ride him? He's like almost a baby horse. That big. Don't believe me? Oh, well, I will show you. Watch, I'm gonna get on him. Whoa! Whoa! But he doesn't like people riding him. Here's my little doggy. She's hyper, but she's small. Ah! He got me! I'll let him my toes. He will eat you if you come near him. Go! Good boy! Good boy! Oh! He bit me! Oh! He seriously did! Go! Ew!
I got you back again.
He skipped him poop. Here, touched him. Poof! There he is! Okay. Yeah, now. Oh.